Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another hot summer day. This is a brand new building, guys. We are in the An Thuong 30, An Thuong 32 or something like that, or 4. I'm not sure, somewhere there. But this is brand new, guys. Super interesting. I think they just finished up this week. It's right opposite of Shamrock, so you might encounter some drunk Irish lads. But it looks pretty nice though, to be honest. Yeah, it's right opposite of Shamrock. But nice looking. I would love to see how it looks inside. Lots of new apartment buildings here. There was a lot of construction noise going on here for the last 2-3 years. But now all those apartments are done. No more construction, guys. They're done. All these places are new. Brand new spots, guys. But however, I think they will have some construction going on here at some point. Because usually when they clean it out and they fence it, it's usually the sign that they sell it. Maybe someone is renting the space for motorbike parking. I'm not 100% sure. Sometimes they just put a little roof and then they just use it. If no one is saying something, they just use it. That happens more often than you think, actually. If it's empty land, they just put something on it and wait until they get sent off. Gonna have a coffee, an espresso, and I'm gonna meet Marcus. I'm gonna go to the barber shop. Look at how beautiful the sky looks today. Maybe we will go also to the beach today. Yes, on this video. First I'm gonna have an espresso. I think this is my new favorite place for espresso. Only espresso. The other ones are... Right guys, Marcus got a big biceps right now.
Yeah.
So be careful when you see it. Bye bye. Alright, we're gonna go and have a look at the beach. I'm really wondering if it's good conditioning right now. I haven't been there since 2-3 days. J Market. All those markets are very popular to drink beer. A lot of people drinking there because it's like supermarket prices, like 50 cents a beer. It's very dangerous, guys. It's cool to have on vacation a lot of beer. I think that's legitimate, but you should definitely be careful on drinking every day, guys, because it's so cheap and you might get out of control. Like this euro and dong currency exchange. This is so annoying, guys. 29.4. You should definitely get wise. And whenever it is again at 31, I mean in euro terms, change some. I mean, on the German channel, we told all the Germans back then, we made our own video when it was one euro was 31,500 or something. We made a video. A lot of people made wise, exchanged a lot, and now they're living good with that. With a big, I mean, it depends how much you spend, right? If you just spend a little, it's not really important, right? But if you want to buy an iPhone or something, it's easily 100, 200 euro cheaper. Also, you might consider buying iPhones real quick here. It's still cheap. We bought a 17 Pro Max the other day. It was still the normal price, and I think in Germany, Apple increased their iPhone prices to 300 euro. Just on top of the already insanely high VAT what they have in Germany. We have. I don't have, because I don't live there, but we had 19%. This is also a huge difference if you go buy Apple devices or like higher, more expensive things, tech things in Germany. But I think America is still the best. I think America with the, I don't know how much they have, 10%? Depends on the state. But I think America is still the best with Apple devices. I'm just wondering if I buy something in America, in the USA, not America, United States of America, can I claim back my taxes there? Huh. Or there are also some states where they don't have taxes, right? Sometimes, like for example, if you buy a full maxed out or specced out MacBook Pro or Studio or something like that, I think it makes sense. In some cases, you literally have a trip free, right? Think about it. I think if you have the maxed out Apple Pro, MacBook Pro, the latest, fully specced out, and you buy it in Germany versus America in a low VAT state, you could easily fly to America, have a vacation, and pay the same. Maybe someone can fact check me on that, but I'm pretty sure it is like that. Okay guys, the beach looks fantastic. Wow. We're gonna go all the way to the front and have a look. But I have to walk fast. I don't want to be in the sun too long. Hello, pigeons? You don't belong to the beach, guys. You're city guys. You need to sit around in some cathedrals and poop on people. It looked like this one pigeon was even wet. Maybe the pigeon went on a little bath. Check this out, guys. The beach is absolutely huge and wide at the moment. It's crazy. Think about it. If you go back 6 months or something like that, and you see my videos, how small the beach was here. How narrow. There was no beach anymore. We had a huge crisis over there. They had to fight. So the Paradise Beach Bar is not getting completely demolished from the water. And now, where we are back. So if you come at any time in the winter, just be aware the beach is not that wide, but in the summer it's all back to normal. This is how it looks right now. Lots of people. I don't think there are any flags out or anything like that. You can go pretty much everywhere in the sun. The water looks good. The color is not that nice at the moment. Oh, it is. My sunglasses makes it darker. It is. The beach looks the water looks nice. The best water look is actually when the sun is over here in the morning. Then it's like very bluish. Now it's a little bit more green. I think I heard one theory one time. The water just reflects the surroundings. So if you have green around, it looks like that. And it really depends on the sun, but it looks good. Especially if you go up to those rooftops, you will see it, because then you really see all the colors and shapes of the beach, and you also see where good waves are. So I told this to my surfing viewer one time. He was like, I'm looking for the best wave breaks and things like that. I'm like, yeah, just go to the An Thuong building up there on the 40th floor and look down. Or maybe Rosamir. Maybe go to another hotel in Soncha and look down. And you can see how the waves are forming. Oh, that's why all the pigeons are here. They're getting fed here. And as you can see, no one is out there. The beach is completely empty. But every hotel is packed. So this is the summertime in Da Nang. It would be nicer if we have a little bit more palm trees, so you have like more shade, but it's pretty busy. But no one is walking around like that. people are in the shade here on the beach or are in the water. But yeah, I'm very happy the nature gave back the sand, and it looks like it looks now again. It's a very nice color at the moment. Very nice. And there's good air quality. I can see Sunshine Peninsula pretty clearly. I can see the green. It's good. It's very good. A little bit of, I would love to have a little bit more. There we go. There we have a little bit more clouds. I can also see all over to Chum Island, but yeah, I still have to go there at some point. I really hope Hong Kong will not be that hot. I'm a little bit worried. I'm gonna fly there on Sunday. I think Hong Kong can be also super hot, but I think they have some malls, so it's all gonna be good. I'm gonna go there with my wife. Whew. Yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next vlog. Also, this video will help you a lot.